Okay, I'm going to be crimping my hair. You can use any crimper, it can be small, like this. It can be any crimper you want. They're like $10 at Kohl's, that's where I got mine. They heat up like really fast, so be careful, it's not like a straightener where they take about 5 minutes to heat up. Okay, you just take a little strand of hair like this, and you can start at the top, and you can count to 5, and then you go a little bit down, and then you can do this to every strand, all the way around your head. So you gotta make sure you get all your layers. So if you have layered hair like this, you gotta make sure that you get all of it so it doesn't look half straight and half crimped. So like you can do either your bottom layer first or you could do your top. Right here. Okay, you could add like little bows that go with your outfit, so you can just like put bows in and you can put anything you want. This hairstyle goes for with every outfit. You could wear it to a wedding or a ball or wherever you want. It goes with every outfit and it's super adorable. So I hope you guys liked it.